Hello, my name is Jordan Nelson and I'm the sales manager for kit development.
And my name is Eve Swenson. I'm the manager of the Live Biologicals department.
We're going to be doing a brief observational experiment with various toxicants, and we're going to see how they affect the behavior of blackworms. The three toxicants that we're going to be using are ethanol alcohol, caffeine, and nicotine. Let's suit up. After familiarizing the students with what blackworms are, have them determine what is normal behavior for one. How do they interact in their environment? Are there any patterns? And how do they interact when being gently probed? The next step is to introduce the blackworms to a toxicant. The first one we're going to use is nicotine. Some observations you might see is that they are noticeably slower, appear disoriented, the tail may curl with loss of response, and paralysis may occur in higher concentrations. The second toxicant we're introducing to the blackworm is caffeine. You might see them appear overactive, show greater sensitivity to probing when swimming and crawling, and they might try to curl in a ball and then stretch out. The last toxicant we're introducing to the blackworm is ethanol alcohol. Do not use denatured ethanol, methanol, or isopropyl alcohol. With this toxicant, the blackworms might be clumped up, they may appear inactive when probed, and their ends may tend to curl up. Every observation is going to be different depending on the size and the health of the worms used. Within 15 minutes of returning the blackworms to their habitat, you should start to see a recovery. And you can see a full recovery within 24 hours, even with higher concentration. To further your investigation, you can determine what effect these toxicants have on the blackworms with their blood flow. The blood flow in a blackworm actually travels from the tail down to the head. In this video clip, we used a compound microscope to visually show the blood flowing in the middle of the body. After exposing blackworms to toxins, you can then transfer them to the microscope to have your students observe what effect it has.
I hope you enjoyed this video and can use this engaging experiment in your classroom.